Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel. Back to the promised video. Now, in today's lesson, we want to take a look at the Iupac nomenclature of Alkanoic. In our previous video, I explained extensively the definition of Alkanoic. Then we take a look at the naming of Alkanoic from ethanoic acid down to octanoic, nonanoic, and decanoic acid. In the previous video, I made mention of something that when we are talking about this alkanoic or the carboxylic acid, the OIC, which is oic, is being replaced in place of you removing the E in alkane with oic. So guys, the first thing you need to understand as far as carboxylic acid or alkanoic acid is concerned is that let's take a look at the Iupac nomenclature, which is the same thing as the rules that governs the alkanoic acid or the carboxylic acid. Come closer. So guys, the first thing is names end in oic, that is we are going to what? Drop the E in alkane and replace with suffix oic. That is the meaning of that. The second one is that we have to consider the longest continuous chain chosen should contain the functional group. This is a carboxylic functional group. That is, if you have to name any compound as far as the carboxylic acid or the alkanoic acid is concerned, you need to consider the continuous carbon chain from where you have the functional group. Is that clear? And the last one is when their subsequent numbering starts with the carbon atom of the functional group. That is, if you are given any functional group, if you are given any compound that you have to name as far as the carboxylic acid is concerned, you need to consider the numbering irrespective of where the substituent is placed. You need to consider the numbering from where you have the functional group. Is that clear now? So guys, let's take a look at some examples under the carboxylic acid and how we can easily apply the Iupac rule to it. Come closer. The first compound we take a look at is the first one, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. We have A, B, I have CH3,